Let's get into the latest news break that's coming in at the back of this. India Today has connected with German police on Prajwal Ravanna, who had fled to Germany after the revelations of the pen drive containing all the sex clips. And the German authorities have told us that India hasn't still got in touch with the German police or the German authorities regarding Prajwal Ravanna of being a sex offender and cases lodged against him. The question still remains, why hasn't Karnataka government or the Karnataka police approached the German police yet, or have they done so? Because what we've been indicated or told by the German police is that nobody from India has approached the German police on the whereabouts of Prajwal Ravanna, who is right now in Germany, had fled to the country after the revelations of his alleged sexual misconduct. I want to quickly cut across to Sagai Raj, who's joining us for more on this story. Sagai, the German police confirming to India Today that India hasn't approached the German authorities on the whereabouts of Prajwal Ravanna. Have the Karnataka police moved forth?
So far, we have not got any kind of official confirmation or official statement from this special investigation team. They have not addressed any kind of press conference, have not given any kind of a press note about their proceedings in this particular investigation. As you rightly pointed out, that when we reached out, the German officials have categorically said that none of the Indian officials or police department from Karnataka have approached them and sought their help. So Karnataka Congress government, which is making so much of hue and cry out of this particular case, they are slamming the BJP, have not even taken the right step in this particular case, where they haven't approached the Germany, or they have not sought the central government or MEA to intervene and help them in this particular investigation.
All right, Saga, I appreciate you joining us.